Alrighty, Brian, here's your small block Ford. Get your Christian this combination. Got a set of AFR heads on, Holley manifolds. Got the Sniper set on top of it. Custom grind hydraulic roller. Get the front sump oil pan. You got the alternator set up on it for you. I'm going there and make a run. See what she does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,600, 368 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 426, peak horsepower 490, rate of 500. It's got a front end on it, that's usually about 15, so everything's good. What we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean. Show you a couple of things here. When you see your engine, find this thing looks like a credit card, it's a USB card. It is full of technical information. On the engine will be this tag. It will have your engine number and some other specs. Flip it over, it'll take you to a QR code, that'll take you some more specs. And have a great day.